Best deals.
1. Coffee maker. Make from masala chai with ginger and elaichi to English tea with just a dash of milk, from Kashmiri kahwa to the favorite station wali chai. Add all ingredients together, milk in the top container, press the button and relax. Return to great tasting tea after 7 to 8 minutes. Just pour over and enjoy a great cup. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Footrest. Experience the soothing effects of 3 massage rollers located in the center of the footstool. Designed to decompress your heels and toes, the small massage particle points around the rollers relax your foot sole and alleviate foot pain. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Blender. The inbuilt overheating protection will shut down the machine in case of overheating. Available with multiple beaters and dough hooks, performing various kitchen chores becomes really handy. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Garment steamer. 2-level steam adjustment allows better control to obtain optimal results, suitable for most fabrics. Easy refill large 1.7 LTR water tank suitable for long steaming sessions. Adjustable height for comfortable ironing when sitting or steaming when standing. The double pole make the garment steamer very stable for effective steaming results. Sturdy built one-piece height adjustable panel along with iron board for smooth gliding in pressing of fabric. Side drain design is easy to clean and descale. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Water can dispenser. The dual motor system significantly boosts the pump's performance, allowing it to deliver a faster water flow rate of 2.2 L per minute, which is ideal for quickly filling up glasses. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Laptop bag. Crafted from a premium blend of polyester and microfiber, this backpack offers unmatched durability and water resistance. Tuck away the shoulder straps, allowing you to convert it from a backpack to a briefcase, thanks to the intuitive side handle. Stay charged and connected with integrated USB and Type-C ports, complemented by a magnetic strap to keep cables tidy. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Can opener. Is made of plastic, so it feels comfortable, lightweight and portable. The opener features a unique design, easy to clean and hang on hooks for easy access. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Stool. It ideal for living room, also suitable for kitchen, hotel and bathroom, garden useful for side table for living room, planter stand, sitting, writing, reading. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Lunch box. Keeps beverage fresh and crisp for hours. The containers have BPA-free airtight lids. This will prevent moisture from damaging your cooked food. These lids are also leak-proof so your food will not come out from the container even if it's semi-liquid. Suitable for normal microwave use, not recommended for grilling or using in OTG. Designed to keep your meals fresh for hours, these airtight containers help maintain food quality and are microwave safe, ensuring you can conveniently reheat and enjoy home-cooked meals whether at work or on the go. Each container features airtight, leak-proof lids to prevent spills and lock in freshness, making it perfect for mess-free commuting and hassle-free storage. The compact and sturdy carry bag keeps your meal neatly organized, ensuring effortless portability for daily commutes, outdoor activities, and travel. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Desk calendar. 3 individual circular rings dedicated to dates, days, and months are placed in an indigenous manner, which may be rotated very easily and precisely to change days, dates, and months to give you a new day every day. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Blender. Makes smoothies, chutneys, dry masalas, and spice blends in just 30 seconds. With India's best-selling Nutri-Blend juicer mixer grinder. Grind even the toughest ingredients effortlessly with a powerful 500W, full copper motor. Extract immunity-boosting antioxidants, proteins, vitamins with precision-engineered, surgical-grade stainless steel blades. Simple twist to lock jars ensure safe, effortless operation. Dishwasher-safe jars make cleaning easy and fast. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cutlery holder. Features a sleek and modern design with 3 compartments for organizing spoons, forks, and knives. Made from high-quality materials. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Barbecue grills. Constructed of high-heat resistant painted food-grade stainless steel which gets rusty hardly. When finished grilling, both pieces fit nicely inside the folded and the grill is removable and easy to clean. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Coffee maker. Elevate your coffee experience. Crafted meticulously from premium materials and designed for optimal brewing performance. Built with a robust and durable design. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Flow wiper. It has special rubber which increases life of this wiper and gives it super strength. Used to push water from the flow. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Ceramic fondue set. The wooden ceramic fondue set comes with serving dishes placed on a tray. The ceramic pot is placed on a burner that can be lighted with a tea light candle to keep the fondue pot warm at the right temperature. Set is used to serve cheese and chocolate with crispy breadcrumbs, marshmallows. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Air fryer oven. Offers 10 preset menus with precise time settings and temperature control to cook or reheat the food quickly, taking place of the deep fryer, oven, frying pan, toaster, sandwich maker, defroster, microwave oven. It saves time to release kitchen space with the multifunctional air fry. Troubled by long cooking time, food will be cooked faster thanks to the 1500W powerful air system technology is compared to non-convection ovens, which saves your cooking time and releases your hands to work on others' dishes. You can easily operate and select different functions. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cutter. The bold, engraved ruler markings along the blade are very easy to read and extremely useful in measuring dough thickness, making even cuts or determining the height of a cake. No need to break out the knife to slice up the brownies or jelly rolls. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Egg steamer. Made of stainless steel, resistant to high temperatures, and can be cooked together in a rice cooker. Rack features 7 holes that are perfectly sized for boiling and steaming eggs, vegetables, and other small items. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this rack is heatproof and safe to use in pressure cookers. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Slow juicer. With a slow 48 rpm speed to preserve nutrients, vitamins and enzymes while maximizing juice extraction. Enjoy fresh, cold-pressed juice with minimal heat, oxidation and waste, more nutrition in every glass. Cold-pressed juicer machine features a strong 240W motor that effortlessly handles everything from soft fruits to hard veggies. Made from spacecraft-grade Ultem plastic and Triton, our juice machine is built to last. All parts are 100% BPA-free, ensuring that your juice is safe and free from harmful chemicals. The stainless steel strainer adds to the durability and performance of juicer machine electric. Product link is given in the 21st link.